Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. In this video, we'll create a 3D model of YouTube logo. So for that, first we create one new file and go to Sketch, select YZ plane, select the profile command, draw one triangle, and close this, go to rapid dimension, give this dimension as 40, this dimension will be 42. Now close this. Now go to geometric constraint, select the equal length, give this constraint to these lines and go to horizontal alignment, select the midpoint and the origin. Now close this. Again go to rapid dimension, select this point and the origin, enter the dimension 14 and close this. Now select rectangle. Here select from center method, select the origin and create one rectangle. Here the sketch needs two constraints, so go to rapid dimension, give this vertical dimension as 97 and this horizontal dimension 138. Now close this, so our sketch is fully constrained. Now we create second sketch in XY plane. So create one line, go to geometric constraint, select the coincident, select this midpoint and origin. Now close this, go to rapid dimension, give this dimension as 250, close this, go to arc, select these endpoints, enter the radius 220 and click here. Now select this line and select convert to reference. Now finish this sketch. Now go to extrude. Here select feature curves, select this sketch, enter here 45, click on apply. Now select this curve, select here symmetric value, enter the distance 60 and click on apply. Now cancel this. Now go to trim body, select this body and in tool option select this face, click on OK. Now I will hide this. Again go to extrude. Here select connected curves and select this triangle edge and enter the distance 40. Here select none and click on apply. Now go to edge blend. Here select curvature, enter the radius 37 and select these four edges and click on apply. Now here select tangent, enter the radius 3, select this front edge and this back edge and click on OK. So the model is completed. Now we will hide the sketches and planes. Now we will assign the feature color. So we select these features by pressing Ctrl key. Now right click over here, select the assign feature color. Here specify the color. Here first we select this red color and click on OK and click on apply. Now select this face, specify the color, select here white color, click on OK. Now here select shaded. So the model is completed. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then please subscribe to C4CAD.